and I made my day.
This is Ruben. If you're new here, my name is also Ruben. I basically meet up with my subscribers, hang out for a day, talk to people, and film it to show you that you can talk to anyone. Let's go.
Hello. Sorry about that. What are you up to today? Nice to meet you. Nice meeting you.
Today I'm with Ruben. The first time there's a Ruben on the show.
My name's Ruben. I'm 27 years old. I live in Orange County. I'm a fire inspector. Well, basically, if I could change one thing about my life, it would be being able to be comfortable talking to anybody that I wanted. And I'm generally a more shy person, kind of reserved, so it's difficult for me to talk to random people without having a solid reason to do so. I mean, I have plenty of friends that I play team sports with and things like that. It's just that I've always had a reason to talk to interact with people like that. So in that regard, it's okay. It's just that when I see somebody that I want to talk to outside of that bubble, it's kind of difficult for me.
Nowadays, how do you go about meeting women?
I don't. Basically I would love to learn how to not rely on apps. I mean, there's so many awesome people out there that are just a hand's reach away.
What are usually your excuses?
Why would they want to talk to me? They're out of my league. What would I say anyways? I don't want to bore them or make them feel like they have to talk to me. That kind of.
Any last words before we start?
No, just wish me luck.
Okay, let's go.
Hello. Hi. Sorry to bug you. I thought you were really pretty, and I just wanted to say hi.
Hi.
What are you up to today?
Oh, I am going for a trapeze class.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Sorry. Is that something you do normally here?
No, my friend does trapeze.
Oh, cool. Very cool.
Yeah.
What's your name? Ruben, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Well, have a nice day.
Okay. You
Sorry.
too. No problem.
Hey Ruben, so first of all, first interaction right off the bat, that's great that you went for it. So how did that feel for you?
Okay. Yeah, I feel like I was obviously pretty awkward. Didn't really know what to say too much. But she was cool about it, and I should have pursued it more, I think.
So the first feedback I would give you is at the beginning you were like, oh, sorry to bother you. You're kind of like shooting yourself in the foot, right? Like you're introducing the idea that you're bothering them for like no reason.
Yeah.
The other feedback is, always play your cards, you know. You're interrupting someone, they're going about their day. You know, it's not crazy to believe or understand that, you know, she might not have like 45 minutes to talk to you right now.
Yeah.
But if you say, you know, I'd love to hang out another time, get a glass of wine or whatever, like, you know.
Yeah.
So play your cards basically, you know. But anyway, that was good. Like that was good. That was a great start.
Good. Yeah. Good to hear. Hi. Excuse me. Hi. Totally random, but I just thought you were really pretty, and I wanted to come say hi.
Oh, thank you. I have a boyfriend.
Oh, okay.
Thank you.
Yeah, we'll take it as a compliment. Enjoy your day.
I really appreciate it.
That one felt good. She was really seemed like a really nice person.
First, like, I know this is random. You know, you're like judging what you're doing, and on top of that, it's kind of a negative judgment. So like,
Yeah.
you know, don't like, you know, you are just introducing the idea that this is random. You know what I mean? Like,
Right.
There's nothing good that's gonna come out of it. And then you said, I just think you're very cute. You are like thinking about what you're doing, and I feel like because you're not able to just say directly, hey, you're very cute.
Yeah.
You're like, hey, I just think you're,
Right.
you're kind of like diffusing it. Like try to speak as if you were a naive, genuine, innocent kid, basically.
Okay. Excuse me. Hi. I just thought you were really pretty. I wanted to come say hi.
Oh, thank you.
What's your name? My name's Ruben.
Hi.
Are you going? What you up to today?
I'm just coming here.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Enjoy. That one was probably the worst one so far, only because it wasn't bad even at that. It's just she kind of just was over it before it even started. I felt like as soon as I said.
So try to focus on how you throw the ball and not on the rebound.
Yeah.
So for example, I have two feedback on this, on how you approached it. Like, if you were to take a guess, like what do you think they are?
I mean, I did use the word. I think I used the word just again.
Yeah. I would also give you another feedback is I think you should slow down. Like take your time. You know?
Okay.
Like don't be so rushed, you know.
Yeah.
Because I think sometimes people are, you know, you're overly excited. You know, you're a bit excited. You're a bit like anxious. You know, I mean, it's an exciting thing to do.
Yeah.
So you're a bit like, you know, but like the person is, you know, she's just walking. She, you know, so
Yeah.
just take your time. Go slowly. Feel the moment, like really second by second. You know.
Right.
Like don't rush because you know when you're anxious, anxiety is gonna make you want to rush. Because
Yeah.
You wanna, like
Get it over with.
you want to get it over with. So just slow down, okay?
Okay. Hello. Hi. How are you? I love your dog.
Oh, thank you.
What's her name?
Kona.
Kona?
Yeah.
How old?
She's 7 months.
7 months old?
Yeah, no jumping.
Beautiful.
Thank you.
Is it what's a breed?
She's a German Shepherd mixed with a Belgian Malinois.
Oh, okay, that's what it is. I'm
Yeah.
trying to figure that out.
Yeah.
That is a cool dog.
Thank you.
7 months. And what was your name? Ruben. Nice to meet you. You're very pretty, by the
Oh,
way.
thank you so much.
Are you just walking
Just
around?
hanging out,
Yeah.
training her, trying to just get her used to the public.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
probably a full-time job.
Oh yeah, it is, definitely.
Yeah. So what else you got going today? Anything fun? Not a lot.
Not too much, just hanging out.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got some friends on the pier that I'm actually heading to right now.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm just meeting a friend too. It's just perfect out today.
Oh, it is. It's beautiful.
Yeah. Would you like to grab a coffee sometime?
Oh, no, unfortunately, I have a boyfriend.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
No.
Thank you so much.
Hey, no problem.
Yeah.
It was nice talking to you. That one felt pretty good. She was really nice, and I felt like I was able to slow myself down a little bit.
Yeah. So the first feedback is don't use the dog.
Mm-hmm.
You know, the dog, it's a crutch. That's not really why you want to talk to her. You want to practice being genuine, and so you know, focus on the essential. And the second thing I was gonna say was, you were like, would you want to get coffee? Let's say you wanted to make plans with a friend.
Uh-huh.
I don't think you would use the wording "would you want." "Would you want" seems very formal.
Okay.
You know, I don't think that the problem is in the "would you want" in itself. I think the "would you want" is symptomatic of you basically perceiving a sort of distance between you and the person, and so you know you're being extra polite. You should relate better, and you should be able to tell someone, hey, like let's just get a drink, or let's get coffee, or let's do something next week, or whatever. You know, in a more casual, warmer,
Okay.
more like not intimate, but more just chill way. You know, like.
Hello. Hi. I just thought you were really pretty, and I wanted to say hi.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah. How's your day going?
Good. How's your day?
Good. Good. Do anything fun today?
Yeah, I am. I'm sorry, though. I am in a relationship.
Oh, okay. No worries.
Thank you.
Yeah, anytime. Just take that as a compliment. Have a great one.
You too.
That one was different for me.
Why?
I felt like I got really nervous all of a sudden, and I think it's because as soon as I got there, I was like, she's way out of my league.
The main thing I got is you just you just talk to her so formally.
Yeah.
You know, just try to talk to people like as if like you were like best friend from childhood. You know.
All right.
You know what I mean?
Okay.
Fucking Ruben doesn't know anything about LA. Apparently he claims to be from here, never been to Santa Monica, never been to Venice. This thing is turning into some fucking touristy like
field trip, dude. I got my tour guide right here.
Yeah. For everyone who's in the snow right now, well, too bad for you guys.
Excuse me? You're really pretty.
No hablo inglés.
No English? No? Español?
En español.
Oh, no hablo español bien.
Ah, ok.
But,
¿De dónde eres?
no English?
No hablo inglés.
¿De dónde eres?
Yo soy de Chile.
De Chile?
Sí.
Oh, wow. Let's see. How would I do it? I just thought you were really pretty and I wanted to say hi.
Thank you.
Everybody else.
Would you want to get dinner sometime? I can learn Spanish in the meantime, maybe next week.
So we about to get this thing going. Cowboy, Mr. Cowboy, sir. We want you to see you looking like Hulk Hogan dad.
See?
Yes.
Okay? Yep. Okay? Thank you. Enjoy your night.
Cuídese.
Nice meeting you. Well,
Nice.
I didn't see that coming.
Yeah.
That was cool.
Yeah, you regret slacking in Spanish class, huh?
Dude.
You owe that one to Google Translate.
Yes, with the wingman. That one was really good. At first I was like, you know what, do I even bother? Like, this is
But
gonna...
then she was into it. She was like, "Oh, where are you from?"
Yeah, dude, she was super cool. Like, I mean, that one was awesome. That like made my day. Not speaking the same language is like a massive barrier. Like, but
it also made it playful.
it worked. You know, I used it to help. So I guess that's kind of what I'm learning is like, just because there's that massive barrier there, like you can kind of spin it, and it worked, and that's pretty cool. Like, I'm shocked.
The smile doesn't lie.
Genuine smile. Can't fake it.
Nice. I love it. I like this moment is why I make those videos. I fucking love that. When people are just like, oh, like the way you came back with a big smile and stuff, I was like, oh yes,
Yeah,
yes.
that's what it's about. Excuse me. Hi, sorry. You're really pretty. Just wanted to tell you.
Thank you. That's
Did I
sweet.
scare you?
Yeah, you did a little.
I'm sorry about that.
That's very sweet.
No problem. You guys going to do anything fun right now?
I know, we're good. Just going
No?
home.
Oh, cool. Awesome. What was your name? Ruben.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. You guys live here?
Yeah.
Yeah, in Venice. Cool. I've never been. I'm just visiting for the day.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, from Orange County, so it's not
Oh,
far.
awesome.
But yeah, this is really cool
Cool.
over here.
Yeah, it's really,
Yeah.
really nice.
Yeah. Awesome. Is there anything really that I must see here?
I
I mean, you live here.
This is the best part.
Is it?
here. Yeah. Just the beach.
Right. Cool.
Yeah.
All right. Well, I'll let you go. I'm going to meet up with a friend, but
Well, enjoy the rest of your time.
Yeah.
It was nice to meet you.
nice meeting you. Would you like to get a coffee or something sometime?
Yeah, sure.
Sure.
Yeah.
Awesome. Yeah, I'll just grab your number. All right. Thank you. Nice meeting you.
Yeah, nice to meet you.
It wasn't bad. It wasn't the best, but I felt comfortable and it worked out.
Yeah.
You know, like
and at the end you were a bit awkward, but then you
Yeah.
broke the moment and everyone was laughing.
yeah, I didn't know what to say. I guess after I had the intro, so that was kind of the awkward part. But I just kept it going and it worked. Yeah, a lot better. Yeah, I think I'm finally like.
A little momentum right now.
Yeah, a little bit.
The sun is
Yeah.
setting. I just have two feedbacks.
Yes. Yeah.
The first one is like the way you start the interaction, it sounds like you're delivering a message.
I know.
Excuse me? You're very pretty. Yeah, it's just a bit formal in a way.
Yeah.
And then she gave you the number and then you said thank you.
I know, dude.
Bro,
I thought about that too. I was like,
thank you. Like it's not like it's a mutual thing. Like,
I
it's
know.
not like, there's no thank you. Like
I know, dude. I thought
I was
this.
like, what the fuck? Did you say, guys? Thank you.
I
Like,
thought
shut the
the
fuck
same
up.
thing. Oh my god, dude! I already beat myself up on that one. Trust me.
Thank you. It's like, what do you think? It's not charity. Like, but
Oh my
that was good. So background music, the sun, chilling in California. So Ruben, how was today?
Yeah, today was definitely an eye opener. I think the thing that I learned the most was like the ones that I thought weren't gonna go well ended up going well. Like it didn't matter if there was a barrier between me and someone, or like I thought they were like way out of my league. Like those ones, I felt the best on.
Well, the first one, you didn't speak English. The second one, you said it was the first time you approached two girls at the same time.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, like the tough ones somehow went better. And I think it's just the beginning, so that's the fun part. This is something I've always wanted to do, but never did.
Is today the first time you get a phone number?
Yeah, from doing something like this, yeah, absolutely. This is,
Nice.
which is kind of cool because it went full circle. Like it
It's
worked.
cool.
Yeah,
It's kind of cool. It's fun.
it's very cool.
Cool, like, you
Freaking-
can tell me it's just fucking cool. Do you have to tell anything to people who are watching?
Yeah, absolutely. I think that if I can do it, you can, because I'm really a shy person, and honestly, talking to girls is something that I've really been wanting to work on, but never have. So I think anybody can do it. And I'm not just saying that. Like I think it's something that you just got to get out and do it. And That's what I did.
Nice. Any last word?
No, not really. Yeah, I mean, just super grateful for the opportunity. It's awesome. Really special.
Cool.